Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today we're going to make stuffed meatballs. For this recipe we need black pepper, marinara sauce, garlic powder, parmesan cheese, mozzarella, Himalayan sea salt, oregano, string cheese, and minced meat. So now we have to mix our ingredients. Here we have 1/4 cup of oregano. And next we have 1/3 cup of Himalayan sea salt. After that we have 1/3 cup of garlic powder. Next we have 1/2 cup of black pepper. Last but not least, we have 1 cup of parmesan cheese. Now that my ingredients are in, we gotta mix it. Now I'm going to preheat my oven by setting it to broil and then putting it at 500 degrees. Next step is to cut the string cheese. Before I make my meatballs, I want to prep my pan. It is time to make my meatball. Now I have my meatball and I have to stuff it with cheese. Now we'll repeat till done. Now that my meatballs are done, I can put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Be careful, cast iron's heavy. You want to broil these for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to do 10 and check back on them. It's been 10 minutes and my house smells like meatballs. So now we're going to take them out of the oven. For our next step, we have to put marinara in between the meatballs. Marinara's on, so now we got to cover it with cheese. Now we're going to put it back in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Five minutes on the clock and we're almost done. Oh, I wish you could smell this right now. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make stuffed meatballs, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, and also, this is keto friendly.